Alright, so I just took off the carburetor and intake, and the gasket is all stuck to this, so I'm going to need to get a new one. But this is the gasket off of the vehicle. It's very crusty and nasty. There's also these. Yeah, thankfully the kit is only $12, and here's a carburetor and intake. You can see it's all dirty, like very, very dirty. So I'm going to need to clean that surface. Clean this surface, get the new gasket, and clean some of these off like that. And looking at some of these hoses, it looks like they might need to be replaced because there's cracks all in them. So I'm going to, while the carburetor and stuff is off, I am going to check all that stuff. And yeah, hopefully get her running properly soon, because most likely had a vacuum leak with how bad this is and how crusty it is. So yeah, this is a little update on the RX-7.